This is the first video in a two-part series of tutorials on the basics of how to use SErAPIS Isabelle search. In this video, I will walk you through the search controls on the SErAPIS user interface and explain their function. In the next video, I will show you how to use these search controls to find Isabelle facts and theories. We'll start by first looking at the search controls and options here at the top. The first input box is for entering keywords intended for pattern matching. Keywords are useful when you expect a desired result to include specific strings in its name, or when you are aware of the name of the theory where the desired result is located. For example, good uses of keywords include characteristic names of theorems such as Zorn, Carathéodory, Lebesgue, Cauchy, and names of other lemmata, facts, and theories. The second search box is the concept input box with autocomplete. It allows you to enter one or more mathematical concepts. SErAPIS has a predefined set of concepts identified in the libraries and AFP, and these will be presented to you as a drop-down suggestion list. You can simply start typing a concept you think is relevant to what you're looking for. For example, here I am starting to type the concept graph isomorphism. SErAPIS will update its drop-down list of suggested concepts in real time, as you can see in my example. Concepts can be removed by clicking the X button at the top right of each entry, or by pressing backspace to highlight and backspace again to remove the concept. The third search box is the topic selection box with autocomplete. It allows you to optionally restrict your search to specific Isabelle collections and their subtopics. There are two main collections, the libraries and the AFP. As a collection, the AFP also has subtopics, such as algebra and analysis, which you can also select. By choosing the libraries collection in the box, you will not be able to add the AFP or its subtopics as additional filters, and vice versa, because the two collections are mutually exclusive. However, you can include one or more subtopics in the AFP. For example, by typing analysis and algebra, I can choose to focus my search on theories that are about these specific AFP topics. This will make SErAPIS perform a search of the AFP index in a disjunctive manner. It will search for facts or theories that belong to either of the input topics. If you wish to search specific subtopics of the AFP, you only need to input the corresponding entries, but if you want to search the entirety of the AFP specifically, you should enter AFP. If you leave this box blank, the search will be performed on both collections. The last search box is the theory exclusion box, also with autocomplete. SErAPIS allows you to exclude specific theories from your search results. This is optional, but very useful when you want to filter results coming from theories that are off-topic to what you're looking for. There are two ways you can specify theories to be excluded. One way is to type the name of a theory directly in this box, and SErAPIS will automatically recommend theories to be excluded from its index. For example, I can ask SErAPIS to not show me results coming from the Jinja.compiler theory. The other way is to use the exclude button associated with each search result to signal that you want facts from the result's source theory to be excluded. I will show you how to use this functionality later on, when I demonstrate some searches with SErAPIS. Regardless of the method you choose, excluded theories are collected in this box and can be removed by editing the list in the box. SErAPIS allows you to specify the kind of result you're looking for using the result kind selector. Currently, you have three options: any fact, which will produce results that are Isabelle facts such as theorems, propositions, and axioms; definition, which will only show results that are definitions; and theory, which you can use to search for theories rather than specific facts. Mathematics search is usually highly targeted, and often the desired results are very specific. It is thus unlikely that one single method will perform well in all mathematical searches. This is why we have 6 search algorithms in SErAPIS, which you can access using the method selector. Changing the default is optional, but very much encouraged. As a user, you don't need to worry about how each method works, but we have a few for you to try, in case the default method does not give you good results. In that case, be aware of the following. Methods 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6 are concept-oriented methods. They use input concepts differently when trying to satisfy your queries. If one of these methods is not producing good results in response to your concepts, another method might. Methods 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6 can be used with keywords, concepts, or both. Method 4 requires that you input keywords and does not use concepts to search the SErAPIS index. When using method 4, you must provide at least one keyword. This concludes our introduction to the main search controls available in SErAPIS. Please make sure you watch the second part of our guide for an introduction on how to put the SErAPIS tools to use in actual searches. Thank you for watching.